during a coughing fit on stage in Cleveland. Democratic presidential nominee Hillary Clinton says, "Every time I think about Trump I get allergic." Rough cut. No report and narration. "Every time I think about Trump, I get allergic," Clinton said after some sustained hacking. "Boy, we have 63 days to go," Clinton croaked before coughing some more. Tim Kaine, Clinton's running mate, sat awkwardly behind her, trying at times to rally her supporters. "USA! USA! USA!" the crowd chanted. Clinton sipped on water. "Well, you just heard the next vice president," Clinton continued, her voice never fully recovering. The Democratic presidential nominee's health has been the subject of heated debate in recent months, with Trump often saying she does not have the strength or stamina to be president. The Clinton campaign has pushed back on the questions about her health, dismissing them as right-wing conspiracy theories. This article originally appeared on New York Post and was reproduced with permission.